Okay, y'all, hey, it's Kara Unique back with another video, of course. Now let's go ahead and get into this skincare routine. First off, you want to start by washing your hands with some antibacterial soap, and then once you're done with that, please be sure to dry your hands. And when you use a towel for your face, make sure that it's really clean. Now, typically, if I have like makeup on, I will use makeup remover wipes to be able to get all that grime off. And then I'm going to go straight into with my cleanser. And I use Cetaphil's moisturizing cleanser. And then you just want to apply that all over your face, literally. And y'all, my face is not perfect. I have some problem areas, as you guys can see. And I've been on vacation recently for a minute, so I haven't been taking the best care of my skin, nor drinking as much water as I should. Okay, so after lathering up my face really well, I am going to go ahead and rinse all of that off and then dry it off with that clean towel I was telling you guys about earlier. And again, you do want to use that clean towel to dry your face off. That way you won't be getting any germs on your face. Okay, so now we're going to go in with our daily exfoliator. I use Neutrogena Deep Clean. I love it because you can use it every day. It smells amazing. And then it has like these little orange beads in it that really, really exfoliates your face. So I just lather that up all over my face and scrub until I feel my face is squeaky clean. Y'all know something? I probably should get me one of those like spin brushes for your face, because I really take my time and scrub the mess out of my face when it probably could be so much quicker and easier if I get me a spin brush. So I'm thinking about investing in one of those pretty soon, so stay tuned, y'all. Okay, so now time to rinse this mess off. And I'm saying mess because it does take a while to get off. Also, I noticed that I have like slight bags and slight darkness underneath my eyes. If you all have any tips or tricks for me to get rid of that or diminish it, please comment down below and let me know and inform me. Okay, y'all, so now it's time for the mask, and I'm using Just to Clarify by Lush, and I would do that, y'all. But as you guys can see, it has like this really like jelly-like texture to it, and you just like break little pieces off and rub it all over your face. And when I am putting it on, I do like circular motions because I feel like that does exfoliate my face a little bit more due to the fact it does have like those little beads in it. Also, when I'm taking it off, I do the same thing as well, and you guys will see that. So I just lather it up all over my face. I forgot to mention that this product is all natural, so it will have an expiration date, but this particular product does last for 3 months, which is really well. Whip it, girl. And whip it, girl. Okay, so now I'm back and my face is dry, and I'm going to wet that towel that was clean and literally do the circular motions and wipe all of it off. Now, I thought the daily exfoliator was a mess. Y'all, let me tell y'all, this mask that I always use is, it's a mess. It took forever. It looks like it took a short time, but y'all, it took a long time. Yeah, I know I said it takes forever, but y'all, it's so rewarding when you're finished and you take it off. My skin is so soft. But now we're going to go in with some aloe vera 100% gel. I did pour a little bit too much into my hand, so I'm just going to dab that onto my face and rub it all in. And as you guys will see in a few seconds, I do put a little bit extra of a layer onto my problem areas with that gel. And then you just gotta let that bad boy dry, like Milly Rock it and dry. And y'all know I don't know how to Milly Rock, but whatever. Okay, so now it's time to follow up with my Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. And it is so good for your skin, y'all. When I tell you my face is moisturized all day, and y'all, yeah, but just know it's good. And that concludes the skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please continue to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below, y'all.